For me, there's nothing more youthful than beautifully shaped and balanced brows. So I'm really excited to share our new Frame Your Face Micro Brow Gel, which pairs beautifully with our pencil or can be worn alone. What's so unique about our brow gel is the micro brush, which makes application on the go completely mess-free, and you can really target the hairs that you want to coat and also fill in any sparse areas with the micro tip. Our innovative gel formula delivers 4 in 1. It softly shades your brows, adds youthful volume, and gently holds your brows in place all day without feeling stiff or sticky. We also added hinoki oil, which nourishes the brow hair. To apply, just brush your brows up and over. If you have any sparse areas, you can use the micro tip to create hair-like strokes. I am so brow obsessed. I really rely on these products every day to fill in and shape my brows. I love that with Frame Your Face, you can create brows that look like you grew them, not drew them.